tribunal have in their own wisdom delivered this their own ruling. As human beings, their judgment may not be absolutely perfect. There are errors and misapplication of the law, as pointed out by our legal team. And that is the main reason why our Constitution provides for other stages to go on with, such as Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court. On this note, we have already instructed our legal team to appeal this judgment as soon as possible so as to ensure that justice is done to the good people of Kano State. That call on all the good people of Kano State to be calm and remain law-abiding. People should not take the law into their hands. Security agents have already been directed to ensure the full protection of lives and properties of innocent citizens across the state. I assure you that this government will continue to work for the development of our state in line with the promises we made for you during our electioneering campaign.